In Lesson 5.1, you saw that descriptions of methods and arguments appear in the IntelliSense menu. You can add these descriptions to your own classes by using XML Summaries. You'll create some of these in this lesson. To begin, open the My Project sample file from your Sample Files folder. And open calculatorfunctions.cs if it isn't open already. Now let's examine an existing summary from the .NET framework. Add a new line to any one of the methods and type math.round. You can see the description of the math.round method in the IntelliSense menu. Now type an opening bracket. This should cause the IntelliSense menu to change to show the description of the method's arguments. If it doesn't, delete what you've typed and retype math.round begin brackets. The method has a decimal argument called d, which has the description a decimal number to be rounded. You can use the black arrows or arrow keys on your keyboard to cycle through the different groups of arguments that this method is able to process. Delete the line of code that you just added. Now you're going to add an XML summary to the round number method. Add a new line before the round number method and type 3 forward slashes, // // As soon as you type the last forward slash, the framework for an XML summary is created automatically. Now add a description of this method by typing the following on the blank line between the summary tags. Rounds a number to 2 decimal places. Now add a new line to the add method and type round number. The IntelliSense menu appears, and you can see that your method now has a description just like the ones from the .NET framework. Remove the code that you've just added, and next you're going to add a description for the number argument of the round number method. Click inside the param tags and type number to be rounded. You're not going to populate the returns tag in this lesson, but you've probably guessed that it is used to describe the value that the method returns. The returns description isn't visible in the IntelliSense menu, so it would only be visible to someone looking at the code. Once again, add a new line to the add method and type round number begin brackets. The bracket is needed to open the description of the method's arguments. The number argument now has a description at the bottom of the summary. Now remove the code that you just added. By using summaries, you can make your code even easier for other developers to use and maintain. They are extremely useful when working in a team environment. Summaries aren't always necessary. Event handlers on your pages don't often need summaries, since it is usually already clear what they do. It is good practice to add summaries to every class that you create manually. Use your best judgment when working on classes that were generated by Visual Studio, such as code behind files. Close Visual Studio now, saving your changes if prompted. You've now completed Lesson 7.8. Use Summaries.